Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, what do I have? My collection. Yes, my collection of aloe vera. Here we have two. Nope, three. Okay, then these are separated because they're bigger. So I separated them. And here we have 6 of them. As you can see, I don't know if you can see right there, is 3 on the front and 3 in the back. And I also have 2 over here. Let me see if it's just 2. No, there's 2 in this one, and there's 1 in this one. Plus, I got another one right here. These are all collections that I made, and I'm going to show you how I made them. With this mama. Yes, this mama. I cleaned her all out. You know, I wet it real good. It's still wet. I wet it real good. And now I'm going to put some more dirt here because I took some kids from around here. And it looks like it needs more dirt there. But I'll be doing that later on. What you do is, if you have a female, how you call it? A female aloe vera. How would you know? Well, if you put you put water on it. Then let it dry. Yes, you let it dry. And then when it starts getting dry, it starts thinking that it's going to die. So it'll start shooting out babies. And those babies will grow to become what is this. As you see. I had a bigger one than all of them. It was the first one that I took out. I gave it to a friend, you know. And how you call it? And she was so happy with it. So, you know, I made somebody happy. So this is a whole stack of aloe vera. Let me see. I have 6 there. Plus 3 is 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. And with the mama, 14. Now, I won't be selling the mama. These are, I'm planning to sell them. You know, I'm going to let them be a little bigger. And then, you know, I see what the prices are in the market. And see if I could sell them. These are, I don't know what they are, if they're male or female yet. But as soon as I find out which one is a female, I'll probably then fix this one up and sell it out for more money, of course. I'm not going to sell it as a baby. I'm going to sell this one as an adult. And as a female adult. So, saying this, you know, and I wanted to say something else, but I'm going to leave it to another video. But anyway, this is very beautiful. Now, as you can see, I have this one, right there. It likes the water. As you can see, it's been there for a while. I'm waiting for it to get roots, but it hasn't died. So that means only the flowers has been, you know, coming off, and then new ones come out. So this one is another invention to see if I can make it propagate. Where did I get this one? I'll show you right now. And this, I think I could propagate it because, let me show you some. I'm always showing. As you can see, around the stem, it is thick. It's very thick, and I think that's where the roots are going to come out. Let me see if I could do it with my finger. Okay, this part right here is very thick, and I think that's where the roots are going to come out. You know, it's very, it looks like it's going to get some roots there. So I keep it watered. Let me take this other one that's going to come out anyways. And it still shows new flowers, you know, and all that. And look how beautiful it is. It is a beautiful plant. I love it. So I'm going to see if I could propagate this also. You know, everybody that comes to my house loves that plant. You know, let me show you the big mama. Right there. Right there. That's Big Mama. So from here, I'll be getting the, how you call it? I throw it in the floor, on top of here. From here, I'll be getting, if it works, I'm saying, if it works, I'll be getting new plants from this plant. You know, I also have right here, how you call this? Oh, I forgot what the name was. Papaya, no. Yeah, papaya, I think is what they call it. I forgot. Anyway, I write it down. I'm just getting up. It's like 6:30 in the morning. or 7, somewhere around there. So, you know, my mind is not that clear. But I want to do this video before my granddaughters come. I take care of her today. And I want to show you what I have. So this is papaya. And I have one outside, you know, my house. And it's doing pretty good. You know, it has thrown a lot of papaya. My husband has taken some where the job is, you know, to his friends. I've given some out, you know, and like that. So I don't have it where I used to have it last year, you know, because that one grew down there, you know, in the other side. And this one is growing just in dirt right here. And plus I got another big one over there that I'll be showing in another video. So that's all for now. God bless you. And till next time. Bye-bye.